Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java Enterprise series. In this session, we will see the basic Servlet API application programming interface. Servlet API basically used to provide a set of classes and interfaces that are used to create and execute the servlets. So basically Java Servlets API consists of two packages, javax.servlet and second is your javax.servlet.http package. We can say that there are two ways to create a servlet. First, using javax.servlet and the second is using javax.servlet.http package. These are the two packages. One, javax.servlet is your protocol independent servlet. That means using this package we can create a servlet which does not depend on any protocol. But in case of javax.servlet.http, it is your protocol dependent communication. That means between client and server, only HTTP protocol is used in case of javax.servlet.http. So these two packages makes the architecture or the API of the servlet, javax.servlet and the javax.servlet.http. These two packages make up the servlet architecture. Now javax.servlet, this is a package. This contains the generic classes. That means it does not depend on any protocol. These are the classes or the interfaces. They are not depend on any protocol. They are implemented and extended by all the generic servlet. And the second one is your javax.servlet.http. Using this we can create a servlet, but that servlet must depend on the HTTP protocol. That means this package contains the classes and interfaces that are implemented and extended by HTTP specific servlet. When we want to create a HTTP servlet, we need to import javax.servlet.http package. When we want to create a generic servlet, we need to import the javax.servlet package. These are the two packages that provides the classes and interfaces for the Servlet API. Now we will see the interfaces in javax.servlet package. These are the interfaces: servlet, servlet config, servlet request, servlet response, servlet context. These are the interfaces that are available in javax.servlet package. As we can see here, there is no HTTP keyword attached here. Right? For each and every class is a generic class. Therefore, servlet, servlet config, they all start with the servlet. Now servlet, this first interface defines the lifecycle method in its service and destroy. Servlet config allows the servlet to get initialized. That means when the servlet get initialized on the web server, at that time servlet config interface is used. Servlet request, it is used to read the data from the client request. When the client sends the request to the server, servlet request interface is used. Servlet response, it is used to write a data to the client. That means it is used to send the response back to the client. Servlet context, it provides the context information about it servlet. That means it provides the basic information about the servlet. These are the classes that are available in javax.servlet package: generic class, servlet input stream, servlet output stream and servlet exception. These are the four classes. Generic class, basically used, generic servlet is basically used to create a protocol independent servlet. It does not depend on any protocol. Generic servlet implements the servlet and the servlet config. That means these two interfaces is implemented by the generic servlet. That means generic servlet, all the properties of the servlet and the servlet config is available in generic servlet. Servlet input stream, it provides an input stream for reading the data from the client. Output, servlet output stream, it provides the output stream for writing the response to the client. It is reading the request from the client. It is used to write the response to the client. Servlet exception, in some cases, right, servlet during the servlet initialization or the servlet handling of request and response, there may be chance some exception will occur. It indicates the servlet error has occurred. So these are the interfaces and the classes available in Java X.Servlet package. Now moving to the next package, that is your Java X.Servlet.HTTP package. So this is your protocol dependent package. Therefore all the interfaces will start from HTTP keyword. That means this is HTTP servlet request. It only handles the HTTP request sent by the client to the server. That means between the client and the server, right, we need a HTTP protocol. It used to read the data from the HTTP request. That means HTTP protocol is used. HTTP servlet response, it is used to write the data to an HTTP response. Session is basically used to create an association between the client and server. Therefore, we will use a HTTP session. Allow the session data to be read and write. Now these are the classes. First is your cookie class. Again, this is used for session tracking in servlet. This class we will see in the later on. HTTP servlet. This is used to create a protocol dependent servlet. Generic servlet is used to create a protocol independent servlet. HTTP servlet, it provides a method to handle HTTP request and HTTP response. And the last one is your HTTP utils. It declares the utility method for the servlet. So these are the interfaces and the classes in Java X.Servlet.HTTP. These are the two packages that makes the servlet API. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.